lovely colors, straight from heaven. They are a joy to see. Pink Kilani rose from Maui, yellow gilima from Oahu, some purple orchids from Kauai, red hula from Hawaii, snow white ginger and peacock tea, tuberose and jasmine too, bright red hibiscus, green kukui. We'll make a lake for you, Hawaiian rainbow, after showers. Reach down and paint the flowers with lovely colors, straight from heaven. They are a joy to see. Pink Kilani rose from Maui, yellow gilima from Oahu, some purple orchids from Kauai, red hula from Hawaii, snow white ginger and peacock tea, tuberose and jasmine too, bright red hibiscus, green kukui. We'll make a land for
Let those red eagles go, yeah, so that we don't overshoot. Well, and be careful. Got lots of pala'a on the left-hand side. This nice stuff is liko, but it's overpicked. So be careful. They're a little bit tall. What we need is up on the top. So what? Oh. Pick enough pala'a stuff here for your coupe. And don't pull out the roots. Can you reach that one? Okay, without breaking the branch. Just the tip. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Then the rest to go. This part is what is called the liko, or the bud of the. This is an ohia lehua tree, and the ohia lehua tree is a symbol of the goddess Laka, and the flowers and the ferns that are associated with the mountain are dedicated to the goddess Laka, who is the goddess of the hula. And all of these things are placed on the altar, or ukuahu as it is called, in the process of studying the hula, the dance of the Hawaiian people. O kalala upaleala, o iela ea, ke a ko ia ela, kawahinela, a ala ka pali, I kalawa ela ea, I hono puwai aloha, aloha o ela. There's a legend that talks about two lovers, and Pele, the goddess of the volcano, got angry because she was in love with the male, and he loved this beautiful young woman, and so she turned them into the tree, and the lehua is the symbol of the woman, and the ohia is the symbol of the man, and every time you pick a lehua, it's supposed to pour. So I've already picked the lehua. We should expect some rain shortly. O kalala upalia ala, o iela ea, ke a ko ia ela, navahitela, a ala ka pali, I kalawa ela ea, I hono puwai aloha, aloha o ela.
Our musical origins go back to our primal past. probably back to Indonesia and Southeast Asia and beyond, from whence our kupuna arrived thousands of years ago. In the pre-Cook period, our music was essentially that heard from the pahu, or the drum, from the uli-uli, or the bamboo rattle, from, in short, our percussion instruments. Obviously, we did not have Western tonal systems or harmonics or things like that. So out of that primal musical heritage came the mele and the oli, that is the chants for which Hawaiians have been famous for.
The idea of chant was to make the word sounded, or make the word as a living communication, so that the word was extremely important. And many times the actual poetry was thought to have mana, or some kind of cosmological power that was an important part of the communication. It was for that reason, probably, that the first kinds of Hawaiian music were single-line chants, that is, just melody, no harmony, so that you could hear the word very clearly. Even the hula, the dance, which we think is so very important today, in the past was only supposed to be a way to further illustrate or enhance the idea of the word.
Those chants tell about the most important myths and legends of our past. And those legends or myths, in turn, tell about our view of the world and our feelings towards the cosmos, towards our purpose on Earth and in the universe. So it was through the mele and the oli that our forefathers were able not only to explain, but also to retain their knowledge and understanding of life on this planet.
Akalai o hia I papalaua hi taimu leile hui kuo kala. Le hua makano I te ahi avele hi e avelala. Dele I te ahi au tawihini mai talua e hi e. No cha lua pa ia makania ta pulena. Ke hali hali tia lala au. Poni ua I te tai o haena. Haena aloha e anoa te aloha. Ako ola wa wi te ta ua e kokoloa le po mai ana e ta ua. Ako ola wa wi te ta ua e kokoloa le po mai ana e ta Iku ua mai ana e ta ua, e nu mai ana e ta ua I te tuahi. Ka iku ua mai ana e ta ua, e nu mai ana e ta ua I te tuahi. Iana e ta ua me hena luala e puka mai ana e ta ua. Iana e ta ua me hena luala e puka mai ana e ta ua.